How to get old icons on iOS 26. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, what you need to do is, you simply have to tap and hold the screen. Now you will see the option of edit at the top left corner of the screen. Simply click on it, and then click on customize. Now you can see you will be able to customize the icon. If you're looking to get old icons, then simply choose automatic. Once you've selected automatic, then you will be able to get the old icon. Now the other thing you can do is head over to settings. Inside settings, move into accessibility. Inside accessibility, head over to display and text size. Now from here you can reduce transparency as well, or set all of these features according to your need, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.